I managed to earn $150 in only a matter of a few days, with hardly any effort at all. My task was as simple as possible. Each and every day I had to take photos and upload them to a specific mobile application. The app is called Collective Memory. And the point is, you just take pictures. You get additional extra money for high quality shots. Let me explain how it works now. To start off, you will first need to download this application. It is available on the App Store or Google Play. You can also follow the link below this video. I'll leave it for registration. This is what Collective Memory looks like. Go ahead and install it. After installing, you'll need to fill in 2 fields. At the top, enter your work email, and in the bottom field, enter this coupon. The coupon will give you an extra 100 in-app currency for this application. The coupon is also duplicated in the description, or you can see it now on the screen. Now let's go over the functionality so you understand how everything works. In short, it's something like a social network, but focused on photography. There are 2 ways to earn here. You can either take your own photos and earn money from them, or you can simply invest in other users' photos. On the main panel, your rank and position among all users are displayed. It's hard to say the exact number of people, but it's roughly around 5,000. Right now, this is just the beginning, and it's important to note that you can earn without any investment. There is an internal currency, tokens, and a general balance. The amount you've invested is also displayed. I currently have about $280, and most importantly, I haven't invested a single dollar of my own earned money. From the photos, I invest in other users' cool photos. By doing this, I earn additional profit, and there is a metric called total. Covered redeem is how much you've earned as an author by creating photos, and there's also the next winner limit. This is the amount currently available for withdrawal. Withdrawals are possible once a month. You need to convert the internal currency to and from Deci and send it to the exchange. I'll cover all the details about withdrawals in a separate video. Now let's look at the bottom menu. The credit tab houses all your photos and videos. By the way, you can also upload short video clips. The stacks tab shows the photos you've invested in. Here you can see the returns, 14, 13, 12%, and you can withdraw the interest after just 1 day. But I'll cover all the details and specifics in another video where I'll go through the entire interface in detail. The transaction tab is your history, showing where you've invested, how much you've earned, and what partner rewards you've received. Now, let's move on to creating content. Click on the arrow in the top left corner, select the MY tab, and then choose Lettuce. At the top, there's a button with a plus sign. Click it to take a photo or video, then select Use Photo, and it will be uploaded to your media library. That's how I took a lot of photos and earned my first $150. If you open any file, for example a video, you can see how much it has earned me so far. $0.01. I will cover a detailed strategy on how to choose shots, what is best to upload, and how to earn more in a separate video. Right now, my goal is to show you how to get started. You just go outside and take pictures of anything you like. You can also shoot at home, interiors, objects, yourself. If someone likes your photo, they invest in it, and both of you earn money. There is also a new tab. Here, photos from all over the world appear in real time. You can go into any of them, move the slider, and invest. There is also an affiliate program. In the PPL affiliate section, you can find your unique referral link. If you invite someone and they earn, for example, $10 from a photo, you receive 30% from them. That amounts to $3 from this sum. Your code is also displayed there. It needs to be entered during registration to receive bonuses. According to my calculations, the top 3 users earn about $5,000 a month. And this is in a free app with no investment required. That's all for now. I will make a complete guide for beginners separately. We will go over how to take photos correctly, how to choose the best shots, and how to invest wisely. There will also be a Telegram channel with additional information. I will leave the links below this video. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.